Between reality and imagination, the Sphinx with its eyes closed. Close his eyes, circulating pictures claiming that the Sphinx was sleeping, and Egyptian antiquities clarify the truth. Not only that, but an old papyrus appeared after the news that the eyes of the Sphinx closed. Its content is that after 5,000 years, the Sphinx will close its eyes and then a tragedy will occur, followed by the end of the world. Between reality and fiction, we are looking for a scientific response to the Egyptian antiquities. And how did you respond to this controversial news? A state of controversy on social media during the last hours, caused by a post on Facebook accompanied by pictures of the Sphinx. Its writer claimed that pictures and video clips were taken of the Sphinx today, with his eyes closed. When comparing it with old photos, the difference between the two photos appeared, as it was clear that the eye had closed. The author of the publication claimed that this may be evidence of a metaphysical event and a signal from the ancient world that foreshadows the occurrence of a catastrophe or an important event. A publication warns against closing the Sphinx's eyes. The post said, "A very strange need is happening now. The Sphinx this morning, and without any intervention for restoration or human influence. Why did I take so many pictures today of so many personalities and spread on social media that his eyes are closed? Unlike usual, what does it mean? It's as if he slept, and there are multiple photos from different sources and in videos confirming that these photos are not Photoshop. There are people who say that they are a sign that something is about to happen." The first response from the effects. The response was from a source in the antiquities. It is clearly visible in the images that they were modified through Photoshop programs. And the matter did not stop at the eye, but went beyond it to the nose, and any specialist, or even a non-specialist, can detect the falsehood of these images. Chinese or Egyptian Sphinx. In statements to Al Watan, the source revealed a surprise that one of the pictures circulated in the publication is not of the Sphinx. Rather, it is a clone that was made several years ago in China, and it is the image that shows the eye being very sunken. The source called those who are skeptical about this talk to visit the archaeological area of the pyramid tomorrow to verify the authenticity of his talk or not. He called on those who circulate such news to verify it before spreading rumors and causing confusion and unjustified panic. Photoshop deceived the Egyptians and the world. Photoshop closed the eyes of the Sphinx. Goodbye with a new video. We hope you like what we offer you.